Ingvar Kamprad, the founder of IKEA, built a global empire from a simple idea: affordable, well-designed furniture that anyone could afford. From humble beginnings, he revolutionized the way people furnished their homes, showing that with the right mindset, even the smallest ideas can turn into something world-changing. Born in 1926 in Sweden, Kamprad grew up in a modest household, and from an early age, he had an entrepreneurial spirit. He started by selling matches to his neighbors at the age of 5, and later expanded his offerings to include pens, fish, and Christmas decorations. Even at a young age, he showed a clear vision for how to turn simple products into something that could reach a broader market. The idea for IKEA came to Kamprad when he realized that the furniture market was outdated. At the time, most furniture was expensive, bulky, and required professional assembly. Kamprad's solution? Flat-packed furniture. He envisioned a way to sell furniture that customers could easily transport and assemble themselves, thus cutting costs and making quality furniture available to the masses. In 1943, Kamprad founded IKEA, originally a mail-order business. By 1956, he introduced the revolutionary idea of flat-pack furniture, drastically changing the entire furniture industry. His vision wasn't about creating the most luxurious or expensive products. It was about simplicity and accessibility. His furniture designs were minimalist, functional, and practical, qualities that would go on to define IKEA's global brand. But Kamprad wasn't just focused on the design and logistics of his products. He was equally committed to creating a company that operated efficiently and on a massive scale. His frugality was legendary. He drove a cheap car, flew economy class, and famously had a policy of never spending on anything that wasn't strictly necessary for the business. His belief in simplicity and efficiency was the bedrock of IKEA's success. Kamprad wanted to make sure the costs of production were as low as possible so that the savings could be passed on to customers. Despite some challenges along the way, including skepticism from competitors and the global recession of the 1970s, Kamprad's relentless focus on cost-cutting, scalability, and innovation drove IKEA's continued growth. He opened the first IKEA store in 1958, and it became a hit immediately. Over the next few decades, he expanded the brand globally, turning IKEA into one of the world's most recognized companies. Kamprad's commitment to building IKEA into a global powerhouse was unwavering. He spent decades working tirelessly to refine his vision, and his drive for perfection pushed the company to constantly improve its operations, products, and customer service. His leadership style was quiet but effective, leading by example and instilling in his employees the same commitment to efficiency and quality that defined his life. But even as he became a billionaire, Kamprad never abandoned his Spartan-like approach to life. He lived in a modest home, avoided extravagant spending, and kept his focus on continuing to grow IKEA's global footprint. His mantra was simple: the most important thing is not to be afraid to fail. Kamprad embraced failure as an opportunity for learning, constantly pushing himself and his company forward, refusing to let setbacks define him. Ingvar Kamprad didn't just create a furniture company, he changed the way the world thought about home furnishings. Through sheer determination, vision, and an unrelenting commitment to simplicity, he built one of the most successful and iconic companies of the 20th century. Kamprad's legacy is a testament to the power of a single, focused vision and the willingness to take calculated risks and overcome obstacles along the way. Order the Spartan Mindset today and embark on your journey toward becoming the leader your world needs. Let your struggles forge you into a warrior of character and resolve. The Spartan Mindset provides a comprehensive and actionable guide to personal development and resilience. Available now for just $19.99. Purchase your copy from the links in the description box below and on this channel's homepage, because your future begins with the right mindset. The Spartan Mindset.